Hey, how's it going? You want to learn how to get your restoration business on the first page of Google? A lot of people do, but we have the secrets. Do you want to learn our secrets?
I just published the revised edition of the No B.S. Guide to Internet Marketing for Restoration Contractors. There's over 40 new pages updated for the 2022 changes that came from Google and social media, where you will learn everything you need to know on how to maximize your leads from the internet. Whether you own a restoration company or you're a marketer for a restoration company, this book has every single thing you will ever need to get more leads from the internet. We cover everything from web design to Google My Business to social media to SEO and pay-per-click and everything in between.